Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about something we hear asked a lot on social media, and that is, what height is the Sea-Doo switch going to occupy going into a garage opening? Bimini up, bimini down? I had this question asked all the time. Today we're going to answer that question. We're on a 2022 Sea-Doo Switch 18 Cruise. Has your standard bimini setup. This should be fairly applicable for all models, whether you've got the compact all the way up to the 21. Should be very similar, so follow along. First up, we have the bimini in the up and stowed position. This is kind of, I think, the tallest possible setup. We are at JetBoatPilot headquarters here. We have a 14-foot roll-up door, and I've got the door sitting on top of the bimini canvas right now. I want to show you that measurement first. Floor is pretty level here. We are at right at 11 feet 6 inches, 11 feet 5 inches. That's with the bimini in the up position. Now let's do it with the down position here. We're gonna let the door down now and see how far down we can let it before it hits here. I'm gonna back this boat in so we can have it touch right here. We get an accurate dimension. With the bimini in the stowed position, this is sitting down where they've kind of preset this bimini to sit with straps through the holes here. The seats are not blocking, so it's sitting down as low as it can. It's the way it's supposed to be trailered. We are right at 8 feet 5 inches. Many have asked the question, can this boat fit inside of a 7-foot garage door opening? And the answer is yes, but with a lot of work. You notice that I am 7 feet just above the railing, but the seat backs here are sticking up above, so the seats would have to come out. The bimini top would have to come off. And over on this side here, the console has to come off. So if you're doing this for a winter project and you want to store the boat away from the winter in your garage, yes, you can store it in a 7-foot garage door opening. Let some tire pressure out of the tires, take off the bimini, take off the chairs, take off the console, and you'll probably shoehorn it in there. Again, if you have a 20-foot deep garage door or garage with a 18-foot boat plus the neck, it's gonna be tight, but I think you can get it done. Compact, no problem. 21-foot boat, it's gonna be a little bit of a squeeze there, especially with that swim platform on the back. Well, we hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, do us a favor, hit the like button, subscribe button. That goes a long way to get our videos in front of other switch owners. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day.